Hey y'all, happy Makeup Monday! I have got some new products I am so excited to share with y'all. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to get right into them, but I hope everyone had an awesome Thanksgiving. I had the best, happiest Thanksgiving. It was so fun. Got to spend it with lots of family, and it was such a great time. So I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving. And I have so many things to be thankful for. And if you're watching, I am thankful for you. I am just so thankful for you to be on my channel, thankful for all my subscribers, and I'm just so thankful just for everything that I get to do. So I'm going to jump into these new products that I am most definitely thankful for. So, some new Mary Kay Play products. So, we have got the Rose Gold stick. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. There we go. It's the Rose Gold highlighting stick. It is so pretty. I've got it right here. It is so pretty. And then we've got the sculpting sticks. So they are contour sticks. They're called Sculpted 1 and Sculpted 2. Take the lid off it. Sculpted 2 is for our darker beige bronze ladies. And then Sculpted 1 is for our lighter ivory, lighter beige ladies. So I am so excited about both of these shades. And then, oh my gosh, y'all. As if those 3 things weren't good enough. Lip stuff. Oh my gosh. So these are called Mini Matte Liquid Lip Color Kits. And the packaging. Look at the packaging. Is this not just too cute? So in this box, we've got Berry Strong and Red Alert for a more evening look. And then in this box, we have Red Envy and Taupe That in this box. So I'm going to be sampling those on the back of my hand here in a minute. So I am so excited about these. Okay, so I'm going to get into it with all of these contour and stuff. So this is like a crayon that you're just going to kind of draw on your face. Now, I will say I am going to do both sides of my nose. I've already done this whole side of my face with the stick. I'm going to do my nose. I don't do very much on my nose. You don't want to do a lot. You can do a little bit, but you don't want to do a lot. So anyway, I'm just going to come up here, and I stopped right about here. So this is like one of the first times I have used this. So this is not probably going to be perfect. So, okay. Oh, and I forgot my jawline. Don't I look so good? Alright. And I just take the normal blending brush that I always use, and I just come through and blend all that out. And then you can use your fingers too if you need to. I actually think that's blending out really well. I love this stuff because it's creamy, but then it's not so creamy that it's not going to blend. And I just really like that a lot. Like, it is so good. And I mean, it is just so nice, and I love the way it blends out. Yeah, so, and see, now my whole face is done, and I am going to come through, and I did add a little bit more, so I'm going to come through and add a little bit more right there, just to give me a little bit more color. I'm going to look here in this mirror for a second. And I do, y'all, I blend all my stuff up into my hairline. So that's just me. You don't have to, but I always do. Okay. Now, and I'm just taking my blush brush that's like always there. All right, now this is the Rose Gold highlighting stick, and I just kind of come through and just draw a few little lines down through here. And I am loving the way this looks. It is so pretty. It's so sheer, but it's so pretty. I'm actually going to go through and just add a little bit more just to kind of make it to where you can see it a little bit more. like color-wise. And then I'm going to wipe off my brush, make sure it's not got any contour left on it. And then just going to kind of blend that a little bit. I am loving that. It just gives you like a little bit of pop of color. That looks so good. Sorry, y'all. I'm like obsessed with this. So this is the rose gold stick. It's so pretty. Okay, so now unboxing the lip kits. I'm literally so excited about this, y'all. I have no idea. And like, I had totally forgotten that this was even coming out. Like, I had ordered it, like, so excited about it. And then I just went on about my day and just totally forgot about it. And then it came in and I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot. Okay, so I'm going to do the lighter ones first. So I'm going to do taupe that first. So, this is Mary Kay Play. I'm going to open it and I'm just going to sample it on the back of my hand. Oh, this is so pigmented. Oh, look at that. I'm so excited. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Feels good too. Okay, this one is Red Envy. It's kind of a little bit more of a muted red. It's not super, super red. I really like that. Oh my gosh, look how pigmented that is. That looks so good. Okay. All right, moving along. All right, now we're going to go to our darker shades. And we're going to do Red Alert. So I'm going to move down my hand a little bit and do Red Alert down here. This one's more of a bright red. The other one's more of like a deep red. This one's more of a bright red. Oh, look at that, y'all. I'm obsessed. I was going to put one on and I just don't know what to put on now. All right, and this one is Berry Strong. I have a feeling this Berry Strong is about to be my favorite. Oh, yeah. It's my favorite. Oh, y'all. Look at that. I'm dying. I am dying over this. That is so pretty. I love them. Okay, now I'm going to put it on my lips. So. Oh, that feels so good. Sorry, y'all. I can't talk while I'm doing that. I'm loving that. That looks so good. I love it. Okay, y'all, this feels so good on. Like, what is happening right now? This is so good. I'm loving this. Okay, sorry. I get so excited about it. Okay. So these are the colors that look so good. Oh my goodness. I love them so much. So we have Taupe That, Red Envy, Red Alert, and then Berry Strong. Y'all, I am loving these. These are so cool. So these are our lip kits. They're so pretty. I love that. Oh my gosh. So these are fabulous. So anyway, they're super pigmented. Love that. So anyway, well, all right, y'all. So that is today's video. And I'm just excited. Like, I'm loving these new products. And my eye colors that I have on are mahogany, And then I've got some candlelight right here and up here on my brow bone. And then I've got hazelnut in my crease. So in case y'all are wondering what colors I had on. And I am just loving these new the contour stick, the highlighting stick, and I just really like this. So, well, all right, y'all, and I hope that y'all have a great day. Happy Monday. Tomorrow's December, so I'm really excited about that because it's Christmas time. And let's see what else. Oh, yeah, so like and subscribe to my channel. Comment below on what you would like to see next. And then I'm on Facebook as Victoria Tolbert. I have 2 Facebook pages. They are Independent Beauty Consultant, Mary Kay Beauty Consultant, Victoria Tolbert, and Hair and Makeup by Victoria. And then I'm on Instagram at victoriamissfabulous. It's just my regular Instagram. And then I have Hair and Makeup by Victoria. So go follow me, like, comment, share, anything you want. And yeah, so I hope that this helped. And I hope that y'all like this contouring stick stuff because it is so cool. I love how they blend out. They're super pretty. And I'm just excited about them. So I hope y'all have a great day. And I will see y'all next week on Makeup Monday. Bye.